Hello guys, we are in the palace of His Royal Majesty Igwe Akum nwaeze Akum okosis na amiego Igwe Umuoji. He was a pioneer of People's Club of Nigeria, national patron of People's Club of Nigeria, international. My people, Karisa. Oh, we carry good everything. Just look at his palace. Eh? Let's go inside, man. Let's go check him out. Igwe Akum nwaeze, His Royal Majesty Igwe of Umuoji. This is massive, man. Let's go. This is massive. This is massive. This is massive. Let's go inside. So one of the son of Umuoji, one of them. Come now. Why they hide yourself? Eh? Come when they see him, he will take us around and show us one of the things and explain to us. He knows more about him. Akum nwaeze. Come now. Tell my people, tell my fans who you be.
My name is Ikennamodu.
Ikennamodu.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm from Umuoji.
Okay. Which side in Umuoji?
I'm from Eziora Porter.
Eziora Porter.
Yes, in Umuoji.
Okay. So where are we today?
Like the palace of His Royal Majesty late Igwe Michael Akum nwaeze.
Okay.
Anumili. This was his palace.
Let's be going.
When he was alive. This is his statue. That was his wife.
Okay, this is Akum nwaeze, and this is his wife.
Yes.
No. This man was great. He was a great man, a legend.
This is council chambers.
Okay.
This is council chambers.
I think
Where he held meetings with Igwe council.
Okay. Chairman, sir. He was a member of People's Club, national patron.
This way that leads upstairs to where the Igwe council held their meeting.
Okay.
Those days. This is residence where he lived.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
The compound is vast.
Okay. This is how many story building?
It's a 2-story building, but you can't see it from here.
This one is too much.
I think this drawing was made by my cousin.
Okay.
Yeah, Chike Obi Valentine Aguma Okonji. He's my cousin.
Okay.
Yeah.
That made this portrait.
Yes.
Wow.
I can see his name here because he did house or something.
Wow. His wife was very beautiful woman. He looked like Fulani.
I think these are his grandchildren. These are his grandchildren.
Show them very well. This man was
See your wife.
okay. So that other one is the children.
Yes, his daughter.
Okay. All right.
You see his.
So this is the wife, Akum's wife.
Yeah.
Just look at this structure. Do you know the year this house was built? I asked this question before, but I never answered.
Okay. But I know it's in the 70s.
All right. This is massive, man. And that is big compound, just like an estate. These are the estates.
Yeah, because we were
But in this place you lived before, you came a king.
No. We had a 3-story building across the road where he used to live. Then, after he was crowned Igwe of Umuoji, now
Okay. Was he from the royal family before?
no, we don't actually have what we call royal family that is hereditary. I think kingship in Umuoji from history has been it has rotated.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
I don't know the criteria then. I know the criteria now.
Okay.
Now it rotates in quarters among the 4 quarters of Umuoji.
Okay.
So he is from my own quarter,
Okay.
Eziora quarter. We have 4: Eziora, Ifitora, Akala, and Dimecha.
Okay.
That's the four quarters.
So the time he became a king, was the kingship like your clan type?
Yes. The person who was at the helm of affairs then was from Israel before he took over. Yeah.
So do you know any? Did he do anything for Umuoji? Like, did he bring any investment, development? What did he do for Umuoji, for the people?
Whatever I'm telling you is hearsay. I wasn't born then.
Okay.
Yeah. So he was a merchant. He dealt
businessman.
more, yeah. He dealt more in arms. Legally, yeah. He's dealt in firearms.
He had the license to bring them in.
Yes.
Wow.
And
mafia.
he was also into lands.
Okay. Estate.
Land business. Yes. So that's the little I know about.
So how many wives did he marry?
I think just one.
Okay. How many children?
I can't really say, but I know his children. Two of his children. His first son is Dr. Emeka Nwaeze. He's a good friend of my father. I had to contact him because of few people. Then the second is Justice Ifeanyi Nwaeze. Okay. That's his two sons. I don't know much about his daughters.
Let's go check out this place. So this is this painting or block? I want to know.
No, this is bricks. Bricks. Yes, people still use it today.
No, it's not more common. And I think this is more authentic than normal blocks. This is the current generation is using.
People still use bricks now.
How many people is using bricks now? Come on. So what do you call this? Look at ceiling. Wow, massive. You see, look at design.
That was the in thing then.
Huh?
It was the in thing at that time.
So was this made with cement or how did they construct this? I've not seen this kind of thing before.
These are pictures of his family, relatives, and some of the guests he had at that time.
This man was a member of the club, a strong member for that matter.
Yeah.
A pioneer, national patron.
Yes.
I would like to meet his son. So this man look like somehow like Zeke. Somehow look like Zeke in my face. I don't know if
I don't know much. This Igwe then.
Okay.
Yeah. He's also doing more.
I think they were very close friends.
I can't really say, but the Nwaeze is older, as far as I can tell. He's older, and he became more prominent before John Moore, but their time still clashed, you know. Yeah. They did things at that time, and other people too. There were other great men in Umuoji at that time.
How many people do you recognize here?
I recognize. I think this looks like Anyoku, if I'm not mistaken. This looks like Anyoku, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
This is the late Igwe.
Okay.
Now, the other guy looks like another member of the Coco Club from Umuoji.
That is Ezuku, one of our.
Yeah, this is one of the Coco. The tall guy is Ezuku.
I think I recognize him. These are Akum, right?
Okay.
This one is too much.
This club at that time. Late, when you buy notes,
Okay. That's
it's the one with the rope there.
Okay, Olive Yailo's way. It's also from Umuoji.
Yes.
I think we would like to play
He's late. He's late. That's him over there.
Okay. It's late. This massive, man. If we're looking at
this guy
is
is like
too much.
Mangrove Okombo, but I'm not so sure. Who? I think Emeka Nwaeze, Dr. Emeka Nwaeze, his first son.
Okay.
We also meet with him.
Is he in Nigeria?
Yes, he's in Nigeria.
Alright. So let's know whether we can check down the building down there.
one is an underground. This particular building. Underground.
What is it like 3-story building?
No, it's 2-story building, but it looks like that feels like a 1-story.
So that the engineers of that time did massive work. I think when that underground was common as well. It was almost all the club members that killed people.
You know that buildings like this, they gave it out to contractors.
Well, don't you think that it was the whites that was the engineers? Yes, that's what